Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to create a budget in Mint, the super user-friendly app that helps you take control of your finances. If you're tired of overspending or just want to get a handle on your money, Mint is a game changer. It's free, secure, and makes budgeting feel effortless. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to download the Mint app or head to their website and sign up. It's quick and easy. Just enter your email, create a password, and verify your account. Once you're in, the app will ask you to link your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investments. Don't worry, Mint uses bank-level security, so your info is safe. Next, take a look at your dashboard. Mint automatically categorizes your transactions, like groceries, dining out, or utilities. This is gold because it gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. Now, to create a budget, click on the Budgets tab. Here, you can set up categories that matter to you. For example, allocate $500 for groceries or $200 for entertainment each month. Customize as needed. Mint lets you add subcategories or adjust limits based on your spending history. As you go through the month, the app tracks your progress with colorful graphs and alerts you if you're nearing your limits. That's proactive budgeting at its best. Finally, review and tweak your budget regularly. Mint sends weekly summaries, so you can see what's working and what's not. Remember, the key to a successful budget is flexibility. Life happens, so adjust as you go. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to financial freedom. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. What's your biggest budgeting challenge? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.